26 plus credit repair secrets that you need to know if you are working on your credit or you are going to be helping other people with their credit. In today's video, we're going to be covering that whole trafficking thing and why people are using it and kind of, what's the real around it, right? Because this so-called hack, right? I don't really consider it a hack. It's a very sad situation. But if someone has been a victim of either human trafficking or any sort of other trafficking, there is a special department within the credit bureaus that will help you resolve anything that has been related to such. You would just need to gather all of the paperwork, and then they would get these accounts blocked from your credit report. All right. And in this guide, I give you the breakdown of what you would need in order to suffice the credit bureaus. You can also contact the credit bureaus directly because, again, there is a separate department that deals with victims that have been, either trafficked for work or jobs or other stuff, but you do have to provide the proof to them. And inside the guide, I give you all of the different steps because, again, there is a different department that handles this. And you want to ask for a dedicated rep from the credit bureau to help you get this resolved, whether you had this happen to you years ago or it just happened and all of these accounts on your credit report were maybe a result of that, right? And unfortunately, this has been a part of the law for a long time, but people recently kind of started using and abusing it so much to where now they have, a special department that handles every type of request like this. And when I tell you this is not something that you want to use and abuse, please don't abuse it. If you have not truly been a victim, don't try to use this hack for yourself or for your clients because it's just not going to work if you're not truly a victim. And a lot of people in this industry, they have found that this hack is, a fast hack to get things deleted from credit reports, and they have used and abused it, right? But at the same time, if you are ever caught doing this kind of stuff, or say, for example, you don't know, you're hiring someone off of social media that you saw can do a credit sweep in 7 to 14 days, right? And I'll be the first one to tell you that's not going to solve your problems, okay? It's not, because you still have a whole nother aspect of credit, which is credit building, having positive credit. So getting a credit sweep and getting all these negative accounts swept off your credit is not going to be a problem solver for you. You want to set yourself up for long-term success. Credit is a tool. It's not to be used and abused, but it is to be cherished and understand how we can use this beautiful tool of credit to leverage and build long-term success and wealth. And not only for ourselves, but for our family and so many others around us. Now, there is all of this information in here on how to go about doing these things, right? So I'm not going to go over every single thing, but there are what's called a self-attest form that you have to complete. And basically, you can get this sample letter right here, and there's a few agencies out there that will provide you with a letter and, all of that good stuff. But you have to have this self-attest form. You can get a sample inside of the guide. I give you all of the different links and things of that nature. And then you can also contact some of these companies that help survivors of trafficking and human trafficking so they can provide you with a letter that you can give to the credit bureaus. But even if you are not a part of those, you can still work around it and fill out some of the forms that you need. And again, everything's in there in the guide, who you need to contact, where you need to send it, because it is going to be a different address than your normal dispute addresses. And that's again why a lot of people use and abuse it, because it's one of the quicker ways to get things off of your credit report if you have all of the supporting documentation. And, some people, they get creative. I get it. They get desperate and they feel like this is the only way that they can sweep their credit. Well, if you are truly a victim of this, then you deserve that, right? But if you're not, then don't use and abuse it, because it just makes it harder for people that truly are a victim to actually get the results that they deserve, okay? So if there's so many other ways, the data breach, FTC, mixed identity, there's so many other ways that you can go about it. You don't want this because it is going to be something that's, on your record that you had to deal with. Even though you won't be able to see it from face value on the credit report, everything internal is going to light up like a Christmas tree. So it's going to be very hard for you to get credit in the future. And with all of the new AI systems that the credit bureaus are coming out with, it's still going to be a record there. So that's why it's a very sensitive subject. But for those of you that have gone through this type of situation, there are laws out there that will protect you. And by law, they are supposed to remove any sort of account, data, whatnot that is associated with such trafficking within 3 business days. Okay? 3 business days. So it's very similar to identity theft, but it's a whole separate department that deals with this. So again, if this would qualify you, or if you were a young woman who was taken advantage of and unfortunately got really bad credit from such, that you would qualify for this. Or if you have clients that you are helping that have gone through this and were truly a victim, this is a great way that you can actually help them, because a lot of victims don't even know that this type of help exists. Okay? But thank you so much for watching. This is part of the 25 plus credit repair secrets that you need to know. And of course, it's going to break it down more for you inside of the guide. But I just wanted to give you an overview of it because it's certainly included in the law. It's not anything new to the law. It's just something that has been really made popular quite recently. And everyone was saying, oh, I've got a new method or a new hack to sweep your credit in 7 days. Sometimes it doesn't always work like that. Not everyone is going to get the same results. So please, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't fall for it. Remember, our credit is not to be used and abused. It's to be respected, not neglected, my friends. I'll see you on the next video. And if you want to learn more about credit repair, business credit funding, and anything credit related, make sure to join the credit community, where I give you all of the information that you need to know, not what you want to hear, and you have a reliable source for trade lines when you are ready to add either personal or business trade lines. Credit community members even get a discount on trade lines once you are a part of the community. I can't wait to see you there, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.